Hi, ungana nami leo tuzungumzie heart problems. Tunaanza na coronary heart disease ambayo ni build up of plaque in the arteries, angina, chest pain due to decreased oxygenation, myocardial infarction, crash in chest pain kwa sababu ya hypoxia ama hakuna oxygen kwa heart. Hypertension, pressure inapiga against the artery walls inakuwa very high, inaweza cause heart problem, heart failure, cardiac disorder that impairs ability of the ventricles to fill, eject properly, kuingia na kutoka kwa damu kwa heart, kwa chambers za heart. Cardiac shock, the heart can't pump enough blood to meet the perfusion needs of the body. Varicose vein, enlarged and twisted superficial vein caused by incompetent venous valves. Cardiac tamponade, maji ambayo imejaa kwa pericardial sac inaleta compression of the heart. Endocarditis, kule kufura ama infection ya endocardium inside of the heart. Pericarditis, inflammation ama infection of the pericardium outside of the heart.